Okay students, this is my lecture number 2 from 10th standard state board. Algebra topic number is what? Arithmetic progression. Some few examples are completed in a chapter number what? Lecture number 1 मध्ये काही examples complete केलेले आहेत. Okay, today the completed the some few examples in the this topic. Okay, to the first, write the correct number in the given boxes from the following arithmetic progression. ह्यातलं एक स्टुडंट मी एकच एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करून देणार आहे. पुढचे एक्झाम्पल्स हे तुम्ही काय कराय बॉक्सेस केले, मी काही बॉक्स काढत बसणार नाही आहे. ओके, तुम्ही बॉक्सेस कंप्लीट कॉमन डिफरंट डी काढायला सांगितलेलं आहे. राईट, दॅट इज इन गिवन ए arithmetic progression, that is a is the first term, that is the t1. How many is given? That is 1. t2 is equal to what? 18. t3 is equal to what? 15. t4 is equal to what? 22. Find out the common difference d. t2 minus t1 is equal to 18 minus 18 minus, sorry, this is the not 18, this is the 8, this is what 8. Okay, 1 8 15 27. Okay, t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1, that is 8 minus 1, that is d is equal to what? 7. Again d is equal to t3 minus t2, that is what? 15 minus 8, that d is equal to 7. Therefore d is equal to what? 7. The common difference will be each two terms is the same. Therefore this is an and ही अंकगणित श्रेणी आहेच, त्यांनी सांगितलेलंच आहे. राईट, विच इज द कॉमन डिफरन्स डी. आता एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3 आणि एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 हे सिमिलर त्या पद्धतीने जिथं एम्प्टी बॉक्स आहे त्या एम्प्टी बॉक्स तुम्ही काय करायचे तो कंप्लीट करायचे. दिस इज अ वर्क फ्रॉम स्टुडंट. हे विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी तुमच्यासाठी काय असेल? वर्क असेल. ओके, I complete I take it the next question. Please student, please complete this question. Okay students, second question. Decide whether following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. पहिला काय करा की दिलेली अंकगणिती श्रेणी ही अंकगणिती श्रेणी आहे. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहे की नाही ते चेक करा आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याची 20th म्हणजे 20वी टर्म शोधून काढा. बघूया स्टुडंट कसं सॉल्व करायचं. ओके, आर एस्ट फर्स्ट here this is a, that is a is equal to t1, that is the first term, that is minus 12. t2 is equal to which is how many? Minus 12. t3 is equal to given, that is minus 5 minus 12. t2 is equal to minus 5. t3 is equal to 2 and t4 is equal to what? t4 is equal to what? 9. To find the common difference d. d is equal to what? t2 minus t1, that is what? Minus 5 minus of 12, that is minus 5 plus 12, that is plus 7. d is equal to what? 7. d. Next term बघूया पहिला. d is equal to t3 minus of t2, that is d. t3 is how many? 2 minus of 5, 2 minus of 5, right? 2 minus of 5, that is 2 minus will get the plus, the 2 plus 5, that d is equal to 7. Again d is equal to t4 minus of t3, that is t3 is what? t4 is how many? 9 minus 2, d is equal to 7. Right, we will get the every two terms the common difference will be same. Therefore ह्यातली दोन ह्याच्यामध्ये 3 मार्कला क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. इथंपर्यंत 1 मार्क 1.5 मार्क इथं सेकंड किंवा 2 मार्क इथं दिले जातात. आणि फाइंड द 20th टर्म. ओके, therefore the given sequence is an AP. तर काय विद्यार्थ्यांना स्टुडंट व्हॉट दिलेली अंकगणितीय श्रेणी ही अंकगणितीय श्रेणी आहे. टू फाइंड द 20th टर्म. आता मी इथं फॉर्म्युला लिहिलेला आहे. Tn इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस n मायनस 1 इंटू डी. Tn इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस इंटू ब्रॅकेट n मायनस 1 इंटू डी. राईट. आता a इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, दॅट इज हाऊ मेनी, दॅट इज T1 इज इक्वल टू दॅट इज -12. राईट. d इज गिवन, d इज आता आपण काढलेला आहे, d इज इक्वल 7. n इज इक्वल हाऊ मेनी 20. तर 20 टर्म आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. यूज फॉर्म्युला. विच फॉर्म्युला इज यूज? Tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n मायनस 1 इंटू d. राइट. दॅट इज स्टुडंट बघा, Tn is equal how many? 20. T20 is equal to a is given, that is -12 plus n is equal to 20 minus 1, d is equal to 7. Right. That is 220 is equal to -12 plus this is what 19 into 7 minus T20 is equal to -12 प्लस बघा 7 9 7 63 3 6 7 के 7 7 6 13 133. T20 is equal to 121. Right. T20 is equal to 121. Therefore what? The 20th term of an AP is 121. What? 121. Student, I take it to the next example, but before complete this example, okay, student, example, I take it the example number 3. Give the arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24. Find the 20th term of this. Paga. Which is the a is equal to T1, that is equal to how many? 12. T2 is equal to 16. T3 is equal to 20. And T4 is equal to what? 24. Right. Use how many, which term is found out? That is T24 term is find out. Right. Formula. Which formula is used? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First, which is the common difference? D here. 4. D is equal to what? D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is what? 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Common difference D is equal to how many? 4. Right. Okay. Using this formula, Tn is equal to how many? T24 is equal to a, that is first term is 12 plus n minus 1, that is 24 minus 1 into d is the common difference is 4. T24 is equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1, that is 23 into 4. T24 is equal to 12 plus 3 4s are what? 12, 1, 9. T24 is equal to 104, right? Therefore the 24th term in an AP is 104. 104. Student, complete this example. Student, this question number 4 and question number 5. Find the 19th term of the following AP 7, 13, 19, 25. And question number 5 is what? Find the 17th term of the following AP 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 12. Student, question number 4 and 5 I give to the homework. Okay, दोन्ही हे तुम्हाला homework असणार आहेत and directly solve the question number 6. Okay, student, question number 4 and 5 पहिला लिहून घ्या तुम्ही. Okay, student, I take it the example number 6. Alright, first read the example number 6. Example number 6 is what? Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Means what? What is the meaning of this example? How many म्हणजे किती अशा संख्या असू शकतील की त्यांना 5 ने भाग काय होतं, 3 अंकी संख्या किती अशा किती 3 अंकी संख्येला 5 ने भाग देण्याच्या किती संख्या असू शकतील बघा. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, फर्स्ट नंबर इज व्हाट? ए, दैट इज फर्स्ट. T1 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 100. 100 ही 3 अंकी पहिली संख्या आहे की ज्याला 5 ने भागू शकते, राइट? मी बघा नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? 105. 105 ही दुसरी संख्या असणार आहे की ज्याला 5 ने भाग जाऊ शकतोय. तिसरी 110 अप टू लास्ट कोणती असणार आहे हो? 995, राइट? बिकॉज 1000 याला देखील 5 ने 1000, this number is divisible by 5, but this is the 4-digit number. The last 3-digit number is what? 995, right? In this example, which is the given? That is A, first term, that is the T1 is equal to given, that is the 100, right? Common D, different D is given, that is the 5. बघा 5 चा चेंज होत जाणार आहे. And what Tn is also given, that is nth term Tn is also given, that is the 995. Last term is given, and which is the find out? The n is find out. What? Find out what? n is find out. n शोधायचं आहे तुम्हाला, right? Using the formula which one? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is given 995. A first term is given, that is 100 plus n minus 1. N is not given, n is find out. D is given, that is 5, right? 995 is equal to 100 plus this is 5n minus of 5, right? This is 995 is equal 95 plus 5n, right? Therefore what, 5n is equal to, हे 95 या बाजूला पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, या बाजूला तर निगेटिव्ह, 995 minus 95, 5n is equal to what, how many, that is 900, that is n is equal to 900 upon 5, that is n is equal to 5 ones are 1, remaining 4, right? 40, 5 8s are what, 40, that is how many numbers. Then find how many 3-digit numbers, 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5. There are what, the 180 numbers, 180 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5. Okay student, understand this example? Okay, solve this example and take it the next example. बघा स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, द 11th term and 21 first term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of that AP. बघा, अंकगणिती श्रेणीमधली किंवा AP मधली कोणती टर्म काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय माहिती पाहिजे, फर्स्ट टर्म अँड कॉमन डिफरन्स डी. आता इथं डी दिलेलं नाही आहे, परंतु वाट 11th term of an AP किती आहे वो, 11th term, that is what, 16, right? That is what, T11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is what, T11, that is here, right? A plus 11 minus 1 into D, that is T11 is equal to A plus 10D. इक्वेशन नंबर 1, दिस इज व्हाट इक्वेशन नंबर 1. याला इक्वेशन 1 करता येईल आपल्याला, बरोबर. सिमिलर स्टूडेंट, व्हाट अगेन 21 फर्स्ट टर्म इज व्हाट, 29, दैट इज व्हाट, T21 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D, that is T21 okay student, that is what, this T11 is how many given, that is about 16 is equal to A plus 10 of 10D, right? Equation number 1. T21 is equal to A plus 20D, right? 20D. T21 is given, that is 29, A plus 20D, equation number 2. Then students solve that, we'll get the what, the value of D and the, okay, that is multiply equation 2, equation 1 multiply by 2, that is 32 is equal to twice A plus 20D, equation number 2. Equation number 3, student, equation 3 minus of equation 2, which is equation 3? 32 is equal to a plus 20d minus which one? 29 plus a plus 20d, राइट. दिस इज बघा ही सगळी टर्म स्टुडंट हे मायनस करतो. हे प्लसचं काय झालं मायनस, प्लसचं काय झालं मायनस, प्लसचं काय झालं मायनस. 32 minus 29 3 minus 2a minus a this gets plus 20d minus 20d gets cancel. That is a is equal to what? 3. A is equal to what? 3. Put the values in this expression. We will get the value of d, that is 16 is equal to 3 plus 10d, that is therefore what? 10d is equal to 13, that is d is equal to 13 upon 10. D is equal to 13 upon 10. Right student, the value of d must be get, a must be find out, then find out the what? 41 term, that is T41 is equal to a, which value of a is 3 plus what? 41 minus 1 into d, d is how many? 13 into 10. That is T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 13 upon 10. 4, that is T41 is equal to 3 plus 13 चौक 52, that is T41 is equal to 55. T41 is equal to what? 55. Okay, so I write once again here. मी टर्म इथं वरती लिहितोय बघा. T41 is equal to 3 plus 41 minus 1 40 into 3 upon 10, sorry 13 upon 10 ones are 1, that is 4, and T41 is equal to what? 3 plus 52, that is 55, and T41 is equal to 55. Right, student, complete this example. Okay, the 41 term is in AP is equal to 55. Student, okay. Example number 8, 11852. In this AP, which term is number 151? Okay, student, example number 8 I give to the homework. Okay student, example number 9 is what? In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Divisible by 4. This is the again example 9 number. Example number 9 I give to the again homework, and example number 10 also the last example. In an AP 17th term is 7. 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference D. बघा काय एक्झाम्पल सांगते. अंक या दिलेल्या AP मध्ये अंकगणित श्रेणी मधील 17वी टर्म ही 10व्या टर्म पेक्षा 7 ने मोठी आहे. किती? 10th term is more than 7. Right, find the common difference D. Right, in given arithmetic progression, a is equal to, a is the first term, d is what? Common difference, and what? From given condition. आता गिवन कंडिशन काय हो? T17 17वी टर्म is greater than T10th plus 7 फ्रॉम गिवन कंडिशन. 17वी टर्म ही 10व्या टर्म पेक्षा जास्त मोठी आहे. मग 17वी टर्म तुम्ही कशी काढता? हाऊ टू फाइंड? यूजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right, that is what this is. How to write here? A plus n, that is 17 minus 1 into t, right, is equal to t, this is what, a plus 10 minus 1 into d plus 7, right, that is a plus 16d is equal to a plus 9d plus 7, that is a gets cancelled here, that is 16d minus 9d is equal to 7, that is 7d is equal to 7, that is d is equal to 7 upon 7, that is d is equal to 1. D is equal to what, which is the common difference, get 1. किती आला common difference? Common difference must be equal to 1, right? Student, correct the answer of this question. Common difference किती आला? 1 आला. स्टुडंट सिंपल एक्झाम्पल आहेत, परंतु त्याचं मिनिंग जोपर्यंत अर्थ लक्षात येणार नाही तोपर्यंत ही एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करता येणार नाही. बघा इथं काय लिहिलं आहे, इन एन AP 70 टर्म्स इज मोर 7 मोर दॅन इट्स 10 टर्म. 70th टर्म इज मोर दॅन 7 मोर दॅन इट्स 10 टर्म अँड द कॉमन डिफरन्स. दिलेल्या माहितीवरून हे लिहिता आलं, ही कंडिशन मांडता आली पाहिजे. T17 काढताना फॉर्म्युला यूज केला आहे T10 ॲज इट इज +7. We'll get the answer. Student, complete this example.